Folks call our office for a variety of reasons. A lot of the time they have simple questions about whether they're getting the benefits they're entitled to. A lot of folks call us because frankly they're scared and they're really worried about what's going to happen in the future.
There are a lot of benefits that you can get when you're hurt at work, and they're not benefits that the insurance company is going to tell you about.
Most of the time the people are in pain. They're in a situation where they need help. They're facing insurance companies that are quite often unresponsive to their needs. And at that time, our skill set is such that we can assist them in at least getting the monetary aid and the medical treatment that they're entitled to.
We don't work for employers. We don't work for insurance companies. We only work for folks who have been hurt.
My biggest concern is that a lot of people don't want to upset their employer by calling a lawyer. And I think people should know that it doesn't cost anything to call us. The call is confidential. We will meet with you. We will explain your benefits. You'll be in a much better position to assess whether or not you're getting what you should.
Sometimes people call because their claim has been flat out denied. That's easy. Sometimes it's because people who have had an accepted claim are not being approved for medical treatment. People have been receiving weekly checks and their checks don't arrive on a regular basis. Most of the time, the insurers are playing within the rules, but they're always interpreting them to favor their own perspective.
People often call our office and reach out to us, and at the outset they're very concerned about what will it cost them just to talk to me on the phone that day. And I try to put them at ease right away and tell them it's not going to cost you anything. Let's just talk about what your questions are and what your situation is, and I'll try to understand if I think I can help you or not. So to contact us and have a discussion, a free consultation, there is no charge. And frankly, even if we decide to enter into an agreement and I'm representing you in a claim, you don't pay me anything unless I actually help recover benefits and money for you.
When you hire Bigham, Fox & Skinner, you get a team of professionals that have been specializing in workers' compensation for many decades. Most of our referrals come from existing clients and former clients. And that really says something, I think, about the job that we do for our clients and how satisfied people are with our services.
You know, at Bigham, Fox & Skinner, I think that our focus is on our clients much more so than other law firms, in that we try to communicate with our clients what's going on with their case. We struggle to get the best settlements and the best awards for them. But we also maintain contact. We return their telephone calls. People are satisfied that they're receiving information about their case. That's something that I think we pride ourselves on. And I know that a lot of law firms don't do that. That's something that I think is unique to our firm.
What I hear most frequently when people leave my office and are really satisfied with what they got is that I can't tell you how relieved I was to bring my box to you and to drop it off. I knew that I was in good hands. I knew that I had an aggressive, smart attorney who was going to look out for me. That's my favorite compliment to hear.
What sets BFS apart from other law firms is, first of all, we're focused specifically on helping injured workers and disabled folks get their benefits. And I think combined with our very supportive and caring staff, we are a different type of law firm, and I'm proud of that.
Our office has been delivering services to injured people for decades. It is a source of enormous satisfaction to me that we're pretty effective at it at this point, that we have learned from experience how to bring about great outcomes for people.